Hello, planting design students. I hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I want to go over how we're going to clean the data that we collected with the anemometer. So just to review, we talked about microclimates in class. I think microclimates is this really cool phenomenon. Basically, it's the climate of a very small or restricted area, and it tends to differ from the surrounding area. And so what we're doing within this project over the course of the semester is we're documenting the effect of microclimate. So we broke into groups. Within each group, you selected a location on campus. One group chose a parking lot. One group chose a semi-open courtyard, and the other group chose a fully enclosed courtyard. Within each site, I visited you, helped you pick points, and I brought an anemometer that not only collected wind speed, but collected temperature as well. The thing that is important to understand about the anemometer is the entire time that I was at your site, the anemometer was collecting data every 2 seconds. So while I was standing in a point stationary, that data is good. But walking from point to point, that is the data that we need to get rid of. So I provided you with a matrix, and you were supposed to enter a location number for each point that you designated on a map that was important to document in terms of microclimate. And for each point, you documented the start time and the end time. If you look at the Excel file that I emailed you, what's important is when you download that, you need to save it as an Excel file. So within your Excel file, you'll see the first column is date and time. Of course, this date is not correct because that is a future date, but the time is what we really want to focus on. And then you have a column with your temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit and then the wind speed. So what we want to do is we want to flag the data points that are good, and then what's not flagged we'll delete. So what you want to do is come in and highlight this B column, right click, hit insert, and so we've inserted a separate column. Within the new B column, we're going to enter the location number. So if you look at the first timestamp here in the matrix that I provided for you, it was 14:39:38. So let's come to our Excel file and find 14:39:38, and we're going to put a 1 in the location column. The end time for location 1 was 14:39:56. So 14:39:56, right? And we're going to put another 1. So you just want to Control V on that 1, highlight all of the cells between, and Control V, and then there you go. So all of these data points are associated with location 1. So cleaning data is a great way to introduce error into your data. So you want to take your time, go slow, and always double check. So once I've entered this in, I'll go back and just double check. So here this is 14:39:38, location 1, start time 14:39:38. All right, that's good. And then we'll go down to the end time, 14:39:56, and confirm 14:39:56. That is correct. Okay, so let's go to location 2. The start time is 14:40:28. So we'll go down here to 14:40:28. Where is that? Here we go. 14:40:28, and we'll enter a 2. Okay, the end time was 14:40:46. Here we go. 14:40:46. Enter a 2. All right. Control C. We want to copy that. Highlight the cells in between. Control V. There we go. Again, as a way to double check, we'll look at the start time, 14:40:28. For location 2, 14:40:28. That's right. The end time for location 2 is 14:40:46. 14:40:46. Okay, so I am going to finish identifying the location numbers with the corresponding data, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see from the file, I looked at the start and end time documented on the matrix, and I flagged it with the location number in our Excel file. So I've done that for all 12 points. So now the key is to delete any point, any data point that's not associated with a number. All right, so again, you just want to go slow here and take your time. This is a great way to introduce error into your data, maybe delete a point you didn't mean to. So all I'm doing is highlighting the entire row, holding my left mouse button down, highlighting the entire section, right-clicking, and then hitting delete. And so I'll do that for all the extraneous data points. Now later, we're going to do some descriptive statistics. We're going to find the mean at each data point. We're going to look at standard deviation, and we're going to compare it, compare the points that we've collected over the course of the semester to chart how microclimate changed with the changing of seasons. All right, so it's pretty straightforward, just deleting out data that we're not going to be using. Now you'll want to do this for each time we collect data at the sites. So I'm really excited about this project to see how the microclimate not only differed within each space at one given time, but how it differs over the course of the semester. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you soon. Bye.